Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best electronics kits is probably one of the most rewarding hobbies you can pick up. These kits provide a fantastic entry point into the fascinating world of circuits, components, and coding. Whether you're a student, a hobbyist, or just curious, these kits offer a hands-on learning experience that's both educational and fun, allowing you to build and experiment with various electronic projects. Number 5. ELEGOO Mega R3 Ultimate Starter Kit for Arduino. This is the ELEGOO Mega R3 Starter Kit. It's designed to be a complete package for anyone getting started with Arduino. It includes everything you need to begin your projects. The kit comes with over 200 components, all of premium quality. It's a great way to learn and experiment with different electronics. Inside, you'll find a CD with a PDF tutorial. It contains over 35 lessons to guide you through various projects. This helps you learn at your own pace. Included are an LCD 1602 module and a GY521 sensor module. They come with pin headers, so you don't need to solder them yourself. This makes it easier to get started. The kit comes in a nice package with a clear listing of all the components. There's also a small box to keep all the small widgets organized. This keeps everything tidy. We are always focused on customer experience. We are constantly improving the product and its features. This ensures you have the best possible experience. What we like. This kit is a great starting point, especially if you're new to electronics. It offers a comprehensive set of components and a detailed tutorial, making it easy to follow along. If you are looking for a kit with everything you need to get started, this is a great choice. What people say. The kit comes with a Mega 2560 board and a huge variety of components like sensors, motors, LEDs, and more. The step-by-step guides are clear and easy to follow, which is really helpful for beginners. ELEGOO's Arduino boards are incredible. They are exactingly labeled, flawlessly put together, and use quality equipment. Number 4. Blink LED Soldering Kit, DIY Electronics. This kit is perfect for beginners. It's a great way to learn about soldering and basic circuit design. It includes everything you need to get started. Each kit comes with a printed circuit board, all the necessary components, a battery, and a link to detailed instructions. You won't need to buy anything extra to start this project. This engaging project features interactive push buttons. Press each button to light up a bright LED. Press all three at once, and watch them all light up together. Every kit is designed, prototyped, assembled, and packaged in Sacramento, California. It's certified open-source hardware, so you know it's a quality product. We provide full support for all our products. If you have any questions or issues, please reach out to us directly. We're always happy to help and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. What we like. This kit is perfect for those who want a simple, engaging project. The interactive push buttons add a fun element, and the fact that it's assembled in California speaks to its quality. If you like a hands-on project that's easy to assemble and provides instant gratification, you should consider this. What people say. Pressing each button would result in one of 3 bright LEDs lighting up, one blue, one green, one red, as long as the button was held. Each button is associated with one colored LED, and pressing multiple buttons at the same time would result in multiple LEDs lighting up. The kit has all the parts and easy-to-follow instructions. Number 3. MiOYOOW Robot Car Kit, STEM Educational Electronics. This smart DIY robot car is perfect for school projects. It helps students learn about mechanical structures, electronics, and automatic control. It's a great way to build valuable STEM skills. The car uses photoresistance to detect the difference in light reflection between black and white surfaces. This allows it to follow a black line automatically. The car can navigate complex paths with ease. You can design your own track using black electrical tape. This adds an extra layer of fun and creativity to the project. It's a fantastic gift for the holidays. The kit is designed for easy assembly, with clear instructions and labeled components. It's ideal for students, beginners, and DIY enthusiasts. The process is simple and straightforward. An English instruction manual is included with the product. You can also find a PDF version by scanning the QR code or downloading it from the product page. The manual provides all the information needed for assembly. What we like. This kit is designed to teach you the basics of robotics and electronics. The line following feature adds an extra layer of challenge and fun. If you are looking for a project that combines fun with learning, this is a great choice. What people say. The kit includes a variety of components, such as LEDs, resistors, and a breadboard. The breadboard is easy to use for beginners. The instructions are clear and easy to follow. Number 2. Miuzei Electronics Fun Kit with Arduino Raspberry Pi. This kit is packed with over 400 components, perfect for fun and simple electronic projects. It's designed for beginners to explore the world of electronics without needing a controller board. Inside, you'll find LEDs, resistors, buttons, and more, all neatly packaged and labeled. Everything is well stored in a sturdy box, making it easy to find what you need. The kit includes a breadboard power supply with a USB cable, a convenient feature that's often hard to find. This gives you more ways to experiment with your projects. Datasheets and tutorials are available on the official website to guide you. It's a great way to learn and improve your understanding of electronic components. This kit is an ideal gift for anyone interested in electronics, such as your son, students, or friends. It helps them understand and improve their knowledge of the basic principles of electronic components. What we like. This kit is ideal for those who want to experiment with a wide range of components. The organized storage makes it easy to find what you need, and the breadboard power supply adds convenience. If you are looking for a kit that offers versatility and ease of use, you should consider it. What people say. This kit has everything the more expensive kits had, and all of the components were of good quality. It has everything you need to get started on your electronic repair journey: breadboard, capacitors, potentiometer, LED diodes, LCD panel, wires, clips, and much more. All the mentioned components were there. All of them work. Number 1. ProTechTrader Electronics Kit for Make, Electronics 3rd Edition. This kit is designed for beginners to advanced learners. It's the perfect companion to the Make, Electronics 3rd Edition book. It helps you learn basic electronics and circuit design. We worked directly with Charles Platt to ensure this kit complements his experiments. The author highly recommends this kit for new electronics enthusiasts. It's a great way to get started. The kit includes a solderless breadboard for circuit prototyping. This provides an excellent base for learning. It's perfect for both beginners and professionals. This kit is a popular choice for students and teachers. It's also great for anyone wanting to teach themselves about electronic circuits. It's a hands-on learning experience. Choose from Economy, Deluxe, and Ultimate Deluxe kits. Please note that the Make, Electronics 3rd Edition book is only included with the Ultimate Deluxe kit. This kit makes learning fun and easy. Learn to create electronic circuits with easy-to-follow experiments. It's a hands-on experience, just like Charles Platt intended. This kit brings theory to life. What we like. This kit is designed to complement the Make, Electronics book, making it a great learning tool. The solderless breadboard is perfect for prototyping. If you are looking for a kit that offers a structured learning experience, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Has everything you need for Make Electronics 3rd Edition, all neatly organized in small Ziploc bags. All of the parts come in a single plastic double-sided storage tote, and, except for a few minor items, contains all of the parts needed for the projects in the book, including an Arduino board. Everything in the tote is labeled, and the smaller parts are in labeled Ziploc baggies, making it very easy to find the parts needed for a build. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.